Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Nelly. Today I will show you a quick video how I will attach a little image on the top of my book. Sorry. Yeah, just put a little one over here. I'm doing a serenity prayer over here. I just want to put a little angel just right over here. So what I do here with my pattern, I have a tiny pattern over here, and again I do top first and then front. I always do that at the same time. I don't do it when my book is done. I think it's just easier doing it this way. So what I will do, I'll cut the top where my pattern ends, and then I measure a line over here. I want to align it with this, and I mark it in my book. Then I cut the bottom of the pattern. I will attach my pattern right here, and then I'll put my front on. When you have your pattern for the top, you can measure it and adjust it whenever you want. I decided to do it on the bottom of my line. I probably could move it a little bit higher, but I already started, so I'll leave it where it is. So when you cut your line for the top, you can just adjust it. My pattern, I think, is the maximum is 6 centimeters, so it's pretty tiny. 5 centimeters. It's a very tiny angel that I put on the top of the book. So again, I have a top of my pattern. I'll cut it straight, and then I just align it with my page and mark it where I need it, so I can cut the bottom. And that way I don't have to worry to attach on the right place. And then I just attach the front, and I do a 45-degree cut. Okay, let's do it again. So we will cut straight at the top. Now I measure it and take the pencil so I know where my corner is, and then I cut the bottom of the pattern and attach it to my marker. And now I will to the front. And attach the front. Take the top, take the strip, cut the top, and I could probably move it to the middle. I didn't pay attention when I started, so my angel will be more to the front, but that's okay.